Hey there! Today we're going to be looking at one of the transitions questions on the SAT question bank. Quick context, if you're not familiar with the transitions questions on the SAT English section, basically you're given a passage with a blank and you have to find the word that logically connects the idea before the blank to the idea after it. Sounds simple, right? The reason this trips people up is that all four answer choices are grammatically correct. There's no spelling trick, no grammar rule to catch. The only thing that matters is logic. Does the word show contrast, cause and effect, or an example? That's it. That's the entire skill being tested. So let's get into the actual question together. Tulip Mania, the rapid rise and sudden fall of the price of tulip bulbs in 17th century Amsterdam is often cited as an example of the perils of rampant market speculation. Okay, so Tulip Mania is a classic example. People used to say, look how crazy speculation can get. However, recent research has demonstrated that the episode was neither as frenzied nor as disastrous as has been thought. Big shift here. The word, however, already tells us the recent research is pushing back on the popular story. Research says, actually, it wasn't that crazy. The popular myth surrounding it should be regarded with some skepticism. So now we need a word that connects research says it wasn't that bad to the popular myth should be doubted. And now let's go through all four answer choices. A, for example. This would mean what comes next is an example of what was just said, but we're not giving an example, we're drawing a conclusion. It doesn't fit, so it's eliminated. B, by contrast. This signals the opposite direction, like two things are being compared as different. But look at the sentence. It's not contrasting two things, it's building on the previous point. Eliminated two. Nevertheless, this one's trickier, because it sounds smart and academic, but nevertheless means despite what was just said. That would mean, even though research says it wasn't disastrous, the myth should still be doubted, which doesn't quite make sense. Because the myth being doubted is exactly what the research is telling us to do, not something happening in spite of it. So it's eliminated as well. D. Therefore, this shows a direct result. Research proved it wasn't as bad. Therefore, the popular myth should be doubted. That's a clean cause and effect. This is the one. If that helped, I'm breaking down one hard SAT question like this every week. Reading, writing, math, all of it. Subscribe if you want a weekly boost to your score. And drop in the comments what score you're aiming for. I want to see it. See you in the next one.